When someone fills out the contact form on my website, they think they're getting a normal message. But 7 minutes later, an email lands in their inbox with a personal video of me talking about their business, except I've never recorded this video. Claude wrote the script, 11 Labs cloned my voice, and the video was generated all automatically. This video shows up in their inbox as a complete surprise that looks like I sat down and recorded it for them. So in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to walk through every component that makes this work and show you how to clone the project and run the same system on your own website. You don't need to write any code. Claude built the entire thing for me. So even if you're not technical at all, you're going to be able to set this up with ease. So here is what the lead actually sees. This can just be any regular landing page. Anybody can come here and fill out their details through this form. All they need to do is provide their first name, their email, their business, their industry, as well as some information about their biggest bottleneck. Once that has been sent off, they're in a few minutes going to get sent this email right here, which says, "Hey Alex, thanks for filling out the form on the site. I had a look at what you sent over about North Health and recorded a quick video with my thoughts." And so we're going to be sending them a link which says watch it here. It's just running locally on my computer, so it has this local host link. Obviously, a real link would be sent in the real case. When clicking on that link, this new video is going to pop up and they're going to be able to watch it. You can see that the landing page is also personalized with their name and company name. So let's take a look at the video. Alex, those 4am calls you're missing aren't just missed calls. They're patients in pain who needed someone to pick up and they'll book elsewhere by morning. What we build at Helix Labs is an AI that answers every inbound call around the clock, handles triage questions, books appointments directly into your system, and follows up automatically. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't miss a shift, and it speaks to patients the way your front desk would on a good day. North Health shouldn't be losing patients to voicemail. Book the 20-minute strategy call below and we'll show you exactly how this would work for your clinic. And there we have it. That was a full-on 30-second video that I literally never recorded myself. By using AI, we were able to get this entire video created, the entire audio generated, and the script created, all for this video. I didn't have to do anything at all. And if the lead is happy with this video and it has inspired them to book an appointment, then they can go ahead and click the book a 20-minute call button right below the video as a key call to action. So I was able to build this entire system by using Claude Code. Don't get too overwhelmed by everything that you can see on the screen right now with all of the code. I was essentially able to build everything just through plain English, telling it exactly what I wanted it to build. And to make it even easier for you, I have taken the entire project that I've created here, pushed it to GitHub. So if you want to get access to this project, I'll have it for a completely free download within my Skool community linked in the description. Essentially, you'll be able to send this over to Claude Code and tell it to set it up and install it for you, and it will go through with all of the instructions necessary to get it set up for you. Now, if you are a complete beginner to Claude Code, I've got a lot of other videos talking about Claude Code. So I would recommend getting set up first before jumping into this. But once you are set up, I'm currently using Visual Studio Code to interact with Claude Code. This is where I built the entire project. So to get started, I'm just going to do a step-by-step walkthrough on everything that's happening through this system. To make this super easy to understand, I've got Claude Code to create a mermaid diagram that is essentially mimicking exactly what's happening in the background. So first up, we obviously have our landing page. This is this website right here. This was fully 100% created by Claude Code. This is incredibly easy to do. Just jump over to Claude Code and tell it to spin up a HTML website for you. And really all that I did was tell it to create a form submission, and this is what it gave me. So number one, a person or a lead will fill in the form with all of their details. Right after this, it is going to trigger our server, which is our Claude Code instance. The first thing that needs to happen is a request needs to be made off to a Claude model. And this is going to be writing the script. So you can see here, Claude writes the script. It's going to be about 100 words, personalized exactly to the bottleneck that they provided us with. And this is what we're going to be using to get the video created around. Once that's done, it's going to get sent off to 11 Labs, all through their API, of course. If you're not familiar, 11 Labs is probably the most popular when it comes to AI-generated voices. And one of the things that you can do here on 11 Labs is clone your own voice, which is exactly what I did here. So just by signing up for a plan on 11 Labs, I was able to clone a professional voice. Essentially, I provided it with some samples of me speaking, and pretty much from that, it was able to give me this voice right here. And so essentially, just through the APIs, I was able to give it my voice ID from 11 Labs. And so automatically, the system would send the Claude-generated script into 11 Labs to have it read out by my voice. Right after this, it is being sent into Vercel.ai. So Vercel.ai is essentially a big marketplace that just hosts a bunch of different image and video and text AI models. And so we're pretty much just using this as a middleman layer to get access to the VEED Fabric 1.0 image to video model. And essentially, when setting up this system, I provided it with a screenshot of myself. And so that is what Brendan's photo is right here. This then gets combined with the audio generated by 11 Labs. And both of those then get sent off to the VEED Fabric model. You can even see an example on there right here where they've got this image at the bottom here. And then this video of her talking is generated. Now, this is the longest part of the generation. This can take anywhere between 5 to 13 minutes to generate. And so this is why we are going to be emailing this video off to them. Once this is completed, it will automatically download itself into our folder of Claude Code. And then step number 7, we're going to be using Resend, which is an email sending service, which is what we'll use to attach that video link to the email and send it off to the individual that filled out that form. So I hope that's a lot more straightforward as to exactly what's going on in the background and how I managed to set that up. So I'm not going to go through every single excruciating step of getting this system set up. Once again, I will have the entire project for a completely free download within my free Skool community. So the easiest way to get this set up would just be to download that project, give it to Claude Code and tell it to set it up for you. And that includes this entire README file right here, which has the step-by-step flow of everything that's happening, as well as the entire stack and everything that it would need to install. So just for better context, this is the image that I uploaded to the system in order for it to get sent off to the video model for it to take reference from. The folder that I have is just called Personal Outreach Video, and these are all the assets that it automatically generated. Once again, I'm not going to dive into what all of this is. Pretty much all of this has been automatically generated by Claude Code just by telling it exactly what it's looking for. So to get started yourself, you just need to obviously have Claude Code set up and then just go through these steps right here. So in order to get the website set up, just jump over to Claude Code and tell it to set up that HTML landing page. And then it will obviously automatically create that form for you. You should get a HTML file that populates within this folder, and you should be able to scroll through the page as well. Then you'll just have to go through step by step and tell it to set up each individual part of it. Once again, that's only going to be if you're not downloading the project and importing it. You will literally be able to take the URL for this project and give it off to Claude Code, and it will go ahead and set up everything for you. The only thing that you will need to set up is the API keys. So you will, of course, need an API key for Vercel.ai. All you need to do to get access is just by setting up an account, going to the top right, clicking on your profile, clicking on API keys, and then you'll be able to generate a brand new key in this section here. You will, of course, need to add some credits into your account, as it will cost money to generate these videos. You will, of course, need an 11 Labs account. Once again, you will need to sign up for this. Once you've signed up, you will then need to sign up for the Creator plan, which allows you to create a professional voice clone. And then at the bottom left, you can click Developers, jump to API keys, and then extract the API key that you've generated here. And of course, you will also need the Anthropic key in order for the Claude model to run. And lastly, Resend is the email sending system. You will be able to use their free plan for a certain amount of emails. Should be more than enough for a system like this. And once again, just sign up for an account, head over to the API key section, generate a brand new key, and hand it off to Claude Code. And so at this stage, you should be able to have the system up and running. If there are any issues with it, once again, you can just ask Claude Code. You can just ask Claude Code to literally fix that issue, and if it needs you to provide anything, it will tell you exactly how to find that. So at this stage, you should be able to get these emails sent out. But obviously the last thing that we need to fix is that we aren't going to be able to obviously send local host links off to our clients. This essentially just means that we are locally hosting the video on our computer. And the only reason that I'm able to view this video is because I have it downloaded on my computer. This will obviously not work for anybody externally. So to fix this, we essentially need to host our project now on the internet. And then all our videos will be publicly accessible. Now, there probably are more extensive videos out there on how to take projects on Claude and have them hosted on the internet. But I'll just do a quick run through so you can get a brief idea. Essentially, what I would recommend is pushing your project directly to GitHub. So that is as easy as telling Claude Code to push your project to a GitHub account. You will obviously need to create an account and have it connected to your Claude Code instance. Once that happens, you will then get a project similar to what you're looking at right now on your own account. Essentially, this is just hosting all of the files and code and everything that's locally on your computer through GitHub. And then in order to take that code and have it deployed on an actual website that somebody can have a look at, we just need to use a tool called Vercel. And all we need to do is just sign up for a Vercel account. We can then click Add New, click on Project, and we can do Import Git Repository. Essentially, we can then connect into our account and then just select that project of the personal outreach video, import it into Vercel, and it will automatically get added to a public domain on Vercel. It's now hosted on the cloud. And then whenever somebody submits that form, it's then going to handle the email. And then it also will handle the video storage as well. So anybody can view that video. Once again, if anything is too confusing, you can just ask Claude Code exactly why it is or isn't working. But all you need to do is just tell it to push it to GitHub and then connect GitHub to Vercel. And so that is it. You should now have a fully functioning website in which clients and leads can come to submit their information, and in a few minutes, automatically get a fully personalized video to get them to book an appointment. It's certainly still very early days when it comes to this technology, but getting it set up now means that you're going to be pretty prepared for when it gets even better. So I hope this video was helpful. Just on a last note, I've only just realized that 90% of you watching right now are actually not subscribed to the channel. So if you could subscribe to the channel right now, that would be incredible. I've got a lot more Claude Code videos lined up for the rest of the year, so I don't want you to miss them.